Hi everybody, and today we are going to talk about Arduino boards, okay? Arduino boards are microcontrollers. And now this one we're looking at is the most simplest form of Arduino, okay? It has 14 input and output pins and 6 analog pins, okay? And so we connect to it from a computer. And so the input is what sensors and motors tell the Arduino board, and the output is what it tells the sensors and LEDs and motors. Okay? And so we connect to it from a computer, which gives it its power, and so that we can program it, okay? And so you see the lights flashing, just getting the programming, okay? See? And so one of the simplest prototypes you can create with an Arduino is basically turning on and off an LED without your hands. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so you can see the LED is turning on and off, okay? So we basically plugged in the input and output here, okay? And so we put this in negative, and we put a resistor so the LED would not burn, okay? And this is negative, and this is positive going out, okay? So we can also make it go off faster and on faster, okay? So let's try to make the light glow, the LED glow, for less time, okay? So we need to program it. Let's try it. Okay, so we're gonna type away the 1 and 0 and delay and put just 1, okay? So that's 100 milliseconds. So let's upload it to the Arduino board. Okay, see? The light flashes for less time, okay? Now, you can only put one program at a time into the Arduino board, okay? And so that one program stays in the Arduino board until we upload a new one inside, okay? So, see how it's going on and off really fast? Well, instead of just doing it with one, we can do it with multiple LEDs, okay? So let's try adding multiple LEDs. And we added another LED, as you can see. And so it's just the same basic circuit, except with 2 LEDs. And we have the same exact code. Get it? So it doesn't know that we're lighting up 2 LEDs. It just thinks that it's sending electricity, and that's all it knows. Mm-hmm. So, how about we try it like this one goes on and off, this one goes on and off on their own at separate times. Okay, so I'm going to change the code and let's try it. Okay, see? Now they each individually go on and off at different times. Now see, this is our negative, okay, or output. Now let's take an input from here, these 2 wires. Now you might be wondering, why don't they both go out? And see, so yellow is connected to a different pin than red is, but the negative is connected to the same, but the positives are different. So the Arduino board, it completes one circuit at a time, okay? So that's how the lights are alternating, okay? And so even though this is right here, and it can still go here, and it goes alternating from here to here, because they're 2 separate pins. Now it doesn't have to be just 2 LEDs, no, it can be 3 LEDs. And so let's do a nice fun one with 3 LEDs, a traffic light, okay? 1, as you can see, we have activated another pin for green. And as you already know, the Arduino board only completes one circuit at a time. That's why, even though both the wires are right here, only one LED glows at a time. Okay? And so, see, as again, negative is here, right here. And see, the resistor, if we didn't have the resistor, then these bulbs might burn. So we make sure that the electricity from the resistor is supplied to all of them. Okay? And it's in here. And it goes through the wires, but stops right here. And the Arduino board only lets one of these 3 wires complete the circuit. Okay? So, all of them don't glow at the same time. Okay? Now, it doesn't have to be only 3. If we had enough power, we could go on to do as many LEDs as we wanted to. Well, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now, and see you on the next video.